Eleiko finally finished their trinity of specialty bars and showcased them at FIBO 2026. First up, we have the new Cambered Swiss bar. The quality is sublime as expected, and the design is very minimalistic and clean. The grip distance is not adjustable, but especially the inner two grip positions felt good for a guy my size. Larger guys will probably also enjoy the widest grip position. It also has a cutout so it can be used for overhead pressing. Next we have the Safety Squat Bar, or SSB. I like how Eleiko has tried to do something very different with the pad design. It was extremely well balanced and it was easy to squat without using the handles. At low weight the pads were comfortable, but when I loaded around 110 kilos on the bar, the padding did start to feel pretty hard and not as comfortable. Yet in Eleiko's defense, it was only a very brief test I did. As of right now, I can't find these bars on the Eleiko website, so I don't know the price yet. But given the final piece in their trinity, the Eleiko Open Trap Bar is more than 800 euros, you probably shouldn't expect it to be affordable.